Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to take your Power BI dashboards to the next level and deliver a truly polished user experience, this is for you. Today I'll show you how to add a simple but stunning hover effect to your menu navigation that's sure to wow anyone who uses your report. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create interactive, professional-looking navigation, no coding required. Let's jump right in. So let's start with the basics. The first thing you'll want to do is create a rectangle. In Power BI, the rectangle shape acts as the foundation for our navigation menu. Think of this as laying down the canvas for a painting. It sets the space and helps anchor the elements that you'll add next. Simply head over to the Shapes menu and drop in a rectangle. You can resize it to fit however you want your navigation area to look. Don't be afraid to get the dimensions just right for your layout. Once you have your rectangle in place, imagine that this will eventually become your navigation menu, where users will click to jump between different pages or views in your dashboard. This rectangle acts as the background, tying the layout together and making buttons stand out. Next, it's time to add a button. In Power BI, buttons are highly customizable and perfect for interactive menus. To add one, just pull it in from the Insert menu. Drag your button right onto the rectangle so it's nested neatly within that navigation panel. You might want to align it to the top or side, wherever it makes most sense for your design. Now let's style it and give it some presence. Select your button and in the visualization pane, head to the Style section. Under Text, go ahead and type in the label you want. Let's just write button for this example. Make sure it's clear and descriptive, especially in a real project. Descriptive labels help your users understand exactly what will happen when they click. To make the button more visible, let's increase the font size. This little change makes a huge impression. Bigger text is easier to read, more inviting to click, and gives your navigation that modern, clean look. You want your users to instantly recognize where to go, so don't be shy with sizing up the text a bit. Now let's adjust the horizontal alignment. Switch it to left align. This is a subtle yet important design choice because left align text tends to match how we naturally read menus, left to right, top to bottom. It helps the eye follow the navigation flow smoothly, especially if you have several items in your menu. This next part is where the magic happens, the hover effect. In the button settings, look for the state option and select on hover. This essentially lets you change how the button looks when someone moves their mouse over it, instantly signaling that it's interactive. Visual feedback like this is key to modern UI. Think about how satisfying it feels when something responds to your touch or cursor. You can set unique colors, background shading, or even add a little shadow if you want, but for now, let's keep it simple. Finally, set the left padding to 20 pixels while you're still in the button styling options. Padding is just spacing inside the button. Giving it that 20px gap on the left lets the text breathe and not stick too close to the edge, which looks a lot more polished and is easier on the eyes. And that's it, you've just created a clean, interactive navigation button with a slick hover effect. You can keep experimenting, try different colors, add shadows, or customize more buttons for a complete navigation menu. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the look just right, that's all part of the creative process. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, it really helps the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to see more advanced effects in Power BI, I'd love to hear your ideas. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials to level up your dashboard skills. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.